Capital One Auto Navigator Review 2024's Capital One Auto Navigator Legit. You won't believe how car financing has changed in 2024. Capital One Auto Navigator promises pre-qualification, transparent financing, and an easier car buying experience, but is it really legit? The surprising truth is control. Most people get this wrong by assuming financing means committing before you shop. With Auto Navigator, you can pre-qualify without impacting your credit score. This gives you a clear picture of what you can afford before stepping onto a dealer lot. One major advantage is transparency. You won't believe what happens next when you see the platform allows you to search cars within your approved budget, filter by make, model, and price, and see estimated monthly payments instantly. It simplifies the oft-overwhelming car shopping process. Auto Navigator also streamlines financing. Once you find a car, you can apply for financing directly, speeding up dealer interactions. The tool also provides access to competitive rates, sometimes lower than dealer offers, and helps you understand your total loan costs upfront. However, there are cons. While pre-qualification is soft credit, final approval involves a hard inquiry. Availability may vary by dealer and rates are influenced by credit score and loan terms. Some users may find limited dealer participation in certain regions. In conclusion, Capital One Auto Navigator in 2024 is ideal for buyers who want to shop smarter with clear financing guidance and pre-qualification. While final approval requirements and dealer limitations are important to consider, the combination of transparency, convenience, and budget control makes it a legit and useful tool for car shoppers.